everyone, my name is Wanashanan Saraban. Student ID is 625011405 Today, I'm going to take you to the Date Railway in Kanchanaburi, the west of Thailand. Let me first tell you about the historical story. During World War II, the Japanese army occupied territories that ran from Singapore up to Burma, with Allied ships active in the Indian Ocean, the Andaman, and the Bay of Bengal. The Thailand to Burma Railway was constructed between Nong Phatok in Thailand and Tan Busiat in Burma, a distance of approximately 415 kilometers. Work began at both ends of the railway in June 1952 and was completed 15 months later. An estimated 60,000 American, Australian, British, Allied prisoners of war will need to work on the railway alongside 180,000 men who were used as forced labor from Asian countries including Thailand, China, Burma, Malaysia, and Indonesia. At least 90,000 laborers died in addition to the 16,000 pounds who lost their lives, with many dying from cholera, malaria, dysentery, starvation. From the River Krabi station in Kanchanaburi, a scenic 17-stop drift cuts through mountain cliffs and bamboo forest. The Date Railway is open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Only 3 trains run this route between Kanchanaburi station and Namtok daily. Foreigners are charged 100 baht. If not being picked up at the final stop, you will need to purchase your return ticket at Namtok. And the last question and answer. Why is it named the Date Railway? Because in its construction, Poles and civilians died for brutality, disease, and malnutrition. When was it built? It was built in 1942 to 1943. How can tourists get the Date Railway? Tourists can get to the Date Railway by train from Bangkok's Thonburi train station.